Hello, welcome to our channel once again. I sincerely want to appreciate you by saying thank you for constantly coming to this channel to watch and get details of informations that we give in this channel. This channel is precisely made for you because you constantly come here. I've taken my time to always bring out the values that will help you in scaling up your solar business, in running your installation from scratch to professional level. In this video today, I have an amazing topic that I can share with you. And as you are watching this video, I want you to stay connected. If you are an installer or someone that intends to start solar business or someone that intends to use solar energy, this video is for you. As you are watching this video, you will get the detailed information on how to select your solar panel, how to identify what is needed for the installations. This particular topic is so crucial that every installer needs to understand it and also watch this video. Our topic today said the importance of data sheets. So this is very important that no matter how professional you are, if you don't watch this video, you are going to get it wrong. Or if you are an installer that be doing installations without this knowledge, you will be making some series of mistakes. But watching this video today will help you to correct the mistakes you have been making and also to start making an amendment and equally learn how to select your solar panel, what to be considered when selecting your solar panel, and how to identify the right solar panel for each specific job you are going to do. So today I have the topic that said the importance of data sheets. What is data sheet at the first place? In solar panel, we have what we call data sheet, and data sheet is very important in solar panel. So because of this, I'm going to explain and equally show you how to use your data sheet to determine the size of panel and the type or brand of panel to be used. So data sheet for solar energy is important because it provides technical information and application that helps in evaluating the panel's performance, quality, and suitability for specific applications. Do you get it? So it is actually an analysis that provides essential technical information and specification that helps the installer or the user to evaluate the panel's performance. One, the quality and the sustainability for a specific information or specific application. So what it means is that for you to do very well and know what to be used, you must be able to ascertain the specification of the solar panel and equally evaluate the panel's performance, the quality of the panel, and the suitability for that particular task or job you want to use it for. So it is important, and here are the key reasons why data sheet is needed or why data sheet is important to every installer. One, the data sheet will help you to identify the performance metrics. When I talk about the performance metric, the data sheets include informations like the power output, which is always measured in watts, the efficiency of the panel, the voltage, and the current ratings. This helps to determine how much electricity the solar panel can generate under standard conditions. So if you are watching this video, I want you to stay connected as I keep bringing out the reasons and how you can do it when you are selecting your solar panel. The next one is compatibility and system design. Yes, this is very important because the specifications such as maximum system power, temperature coefficients, and dimensions are crucial and important for designing and installing a solar power system that is compatible with other components. So when you understand this and you look at the compatibility and the system design, you should be able to know what components will the solar panel be adaptable to, such as when you want to combine it with inverters, how compatible is it with the inverters, the battery, and the mounting structures? Then we have quality and reliability. Yes, when you consider the quality of the panel and how reliable is the panel, this can only be seen in the data sheet because it provides the informations on the panel like the specification and the standard compliance, just like you can see the IEC or the UL, which helps you to ascertain or assess the quality and the reliability of the panel, ensuring it meets industry standards and safety requirements. I know you are getting value in this channel. Kindly click on the subscription button if you not subscribe to get connected to us. In the same manner, we have environmental and operational limits. Yes, the data sheet typically provide details about the operating temperature range, and snow load ratings and other environmental factors that you need to know by ensuring the solar panel is suitable for the specific locations and conditions where it is being installed. To do this, you equally see the analysis like warranty and lifespan. These details the product and the performance warranties, which helps us to gauge the expected lifespan and the manufacturer's commitment to quality. It is crucial to long-term planning and investment in terms of decision making. So I know you are still with me. We equally have the next one, which is very important: energy yields prediction factors, such as the temperature coefficients. But before we do that, let me quickly show you what I'm talking about concerning this particular topic, data sheets, and why data sheets is important to every installer. This is actually a data sheet. This is a sample of what I mean. It is a playwright, something that give the informations about the solar panel. Let me turn the panel so you can see it and show you how to identify all those outlines that I mentioned in the previous moments. Here is the panel. So this is a data sheet, and you can see it specify the brand, the Canadian Solar. It determines equally the model of the panel. You see, this is the model, the type. It can be mono, it can be poly. Every panel comes with it. This is the maximum, nominal maximum power. As you can see, 350 watts. So every panel like 250, 150, 400, 1000. Then this is the optimal operating voltage 40.2, optimum operating current 9.4, open circuit voltage you can see 40.5, short circuit current you can see 9.8, the maximum system voltage 1000 VDC. Can you see? This is the maximum it can generate. This is the maximum. Then we have the maximum series fuse rating. You see the protective device. These are the measures you must understudy. As you understudy it, you equally see the temperature. You can see 25 degree for the temperature. Just look at it. At the standard environment, these are the things you are going to see. And in the same way, nobody explains a product more than the manufacturer. So if a manufacturer has specified this as the quality of the product or as the quality of the solar panel, so it should be a guide to an installer, it should be a guide to the user, it should be a guide to every solar dealer that this shouldn't be manipulated. And whenever you are trying to choose what this is, I want to say thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Thank you.